Collocations. In this video, you will learn what are the collocations in English. Collocations are words that naturally go together in English and sound natural to native speakers. On the other hand, other combinations sound unnatural or just sound wrong. For example, the adjective fast collocates with the cars but not with the glance. Let's see the example. We always say fast food. We don't say quick food. Fast and quick are the synonyms. They mean the same thing, but when they go with the other word, sometimes they sound better with some particular word. Fast food is just sound very natural rather than quick food. In the same way, we can say quick shower. We should not say fast shower. Though this one is not incorrect, but quick shower sounds natural than fast shower. Let's look at the examples. You must make an effort and study for your exams. Here, make an effort is the collocation. We can't say do an effort. Next example. Do you watch TV last night? Here, we can't say look at the TV. This car has a very powerful engine. Here, powerful engine is the collocations. We can't say here strong engine. There are some ancient monuments nearby. Here we can't say antique monuments. Let's see the most common collocations in English. The most common collocations in English are the collocations starts with the make and the collocations with do. The collocations with pay and the collocations with the verb break also used in English language. There are some collocations which are used in a business English. For example, to submit a tender, to raise a capital, to go into the partnership with someone, to start up a business. So there may be a question, why learn collocations? Actually, collocations give you the most natural way to say something. For example, smoking is strictly forbidden is more natural than smoking is strongly forbidden. Collocations also give you alternative ways of saying something. Instead of saying it was very cold and very dark, we can say it was bitterly cold and pitch dark. Collocations improve your style in writing. Instead of saying poverty causes crime, we can say poverty breeds crime. Sometimes learning collocations is not so different from learning any vocabulary item. Example of wordway. Let's see this paragraph. The colorful words used in the paragraphs are showing the collocations. Let us see the outcomes of learning collocations. This will add color to the English language while reading and writing. This is all about the collocations. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe it. Thank you.